Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Mommy Budgets and I am Amanda. Today I am here to do my week 2 budget recap for the month of June 2022. So if you're interested in that sort of content, then please stick around for the remainder of this video. For those that are new to my channel, welcome. And for those that are not new, welcome back. Here on this channel, I talk about anything dealing with finances and budgeting and wealth. And I try to, well, let me rephrase, going forward, I'm going to try and be more consistent with picking a topic midweek, somewhere between Tuesday and Thursday, to get back to my cozy chair. For those that are old, you know about the cozy chair conversations, so that I can talk about a topic that I want to talk about that may or may not be centered around finances. So there you have it. So if you're interested in this sort of information, please consider subscribing to my channel. The unique part about this channel is I talk from my experience. Okay, so as I stated previously and in the description below, we are going to go through my week 2 budget recap for the month of June 2022. Now, you're going to see that slide deck or slide. It's a single slide this time, populated up on the screen, and we're going to dive right in. I don't have a whole lot going on, but we will see that these are items that I do project outside of my regular projection. All right, so let's get going. Week 2 budget projection. Sorry, I don't know why I keep saying projection, but that's the Friday videos. But anyway, budget recap for week 2. Now my budget recaps tend to go from the previous Friday, which is a payday. I get paid every single Friday up until the following Thursday. So this one is going to be June the 10th, 2022 through June the 16th, 2022. All right, let's get going. Number 1, as you can see, local restaurant, $68.87. That money came out of my bills checking account. Next, we have Amazon. I did an Amazon purchase for some items. I think I ordered a charger, a set of 5 chargers for my iPhone and some other products. That was $35.28. That money also came out of my bills checking account. Then I did snacks or vending machine purchases for $6.51. Again, that was the bills checking account. Then I had a credit card purchase. Like I have been saying in some previous videos, I really got to think about this credit card thing and, you know, how I'm utilizing it. Yes, I'm paying it off well before the due date every single month, but I'm just still wondering if I'm putting more purchases on it just because I have a credit card with a credit limit. So that I need to go back and reassess and see what's going on. But anyway, the total was $384.74. That money came out of my bills checking account as well as my miscellaneous account. And the monies in the miscellaneous account are not earmarked for anything. It's just that it is typically a larger pot of money than the money that's left in the bills checking account each week. So that's that. Next, or the final item, is my charitable donation for $25. That money also came out of the bills checking account. Now, as you can see, I have the mortgage update. So this is going to be an exciting mortgage update because also, as you see in the description, yes, I made some massive leeway into decreasing the balance this week, so I'm excited. So we are going to populate the old amortization sheet up on the screen that shows my previous balance, and then we're going to go through to the new balance. The sheet is populated up on the screen, and as you can see, the previous balance was $70,161.49. Okay, now what happened was I was able to make my additional principal payment of $652, plus I received a love donation for $850. So all of that money was able to go toward the principal only of the balance. So drum roll, please. Basically, here is our new balance. Let's populate that amount up on the screen right now. All right, the new balance is $68,392.11. Yay! All right, and with that, you see the green lines that I was able to highlight. Let's count them. I was able to highlight from line 147 to 153. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So with that money, which was roughly what, $850 and $650, about a good $1,500 that went directly toward the principal. I was able to knock off 7 months off of this mortgage. Okay, so that was able to be done in 1 week. And I know $1,500 is a lot of money. Well, it's a lot of money to me. But and yes, I won't be able to make those payments every week, but just look at how that chunk of money can decrease the amount of time off of the mortgage. So that was a decrease of 7 months. So yeah, I am so happy with that. We are now in the sixes, 60,000 plus $68,000 left on this mortgage. Yes, yes, yes. And remember, my goal is to pay roughly $35,000 off of the mortgage this year. So I'm not going to go back and do all of my calculations until the end of the year to see if I was able to reach that goal. I think I will be able to. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that I am. So I'm just going to keep chunking, money, large amounts, small amounts, whatever extra amounts I can toward the mortgage. So that's really all I have for this video today, guys. Like I previously stated, please subscribe to my channel. Like this video if you like it. And also, let me know what you're doing. What debt are you working, with that gazelle intensity on to pay off for in your debt journey. All right, this is Dr. Mommy Budgets, where we dream big but start small around here. I will see you in the next video. Peace.